I no longer believe in her words. I no longer believe in her words. Okay, so আমি আর তার কথায় বিশ্বাস করি না. I no longer believe in her words. So, and today we are gonna learn no longer. The phrase like no longer. So no longer means আর না বা এখন আর নয়. Like this. আর না বা এখন আর নয়. ওকে, সো আমরা যদি এই সকল ফ্রেজগুলো যদি ভালো করে পারি তাহলে obviously today or tomorrow we'll able to speak like fluently. Okay, so the structure is like subject plus no longer plus verb. So there are two structures we actually follow. Number one is subject plus no longer plus verb, and another one subject is subject plus be verb plus no longer plus adjective plus noun, adjective or noun. Okay, তো এটার মানে হচ্ছে আর না বা এখন আর নয়. দেখো, প্রথমত আমি আর বাংলাদেশে থাকি না. So first of all let's learn some examples. Okay, so আমি আর বাংলাদেশে থাকি না, তো এটাকে আমরা কিভাবে বলতে পারি? I no longer live in Bangladesh. So I no longer live in Bangladesh. Get it? So I no longer live in Bangladesh. আমি আর বাংলাদেশে থাকি না. So you have to speak loudly. Okay, so loud out. So again and again. Okay. So and the next one is আমি আর তার কথা বিশ্বাস করি না. So very important. আমি আর তার কথায় বিশ্বাস করি না. So how can we say this? Like I no longer believe in her words. I no longer believe in her words. Okay. So আমি আর তার কথায় বিশ্বাস করি না. I no longer believe in her words. So previously we have uploaded 4 videos like gotta, wanna, gonna, and kinda. So if you missed these videos, obviously you should watch these videos and practice more and more, and one day you will get the fluency. Okay, so you have to practice every single day. So the next one is like আমি এখন আর ব্যর্থতাকে ভয় পাই না. রাইট, সো আমি এখন আর ব্যর্থতাকে ভয় পাই না, এটা আমরা কিভাবে বলতে পারি? I'm no longer afraid of failure. So I'm no longer afraid of failure. So আমি আর ব্যর্থতাকে ভয় পাই না. I'm no longer afraid of failure. Okay, so get it? So next one is তারা এখন আর একে অপরের সাথে কথা বলে না. ওকে, সো তারা এখন আর একে অপরের সাথে কথা বলে না, কি বলতে পারি? They no longer talk to each other. They no longer talk to each other. So native speakers often use the phrase in their speaking. If you wanna speak like a native, you really need to know these phrases. Obviously you need to know. So take notes and read every single day and practice and try to use these phrases in your speaking when you actually practice. Okay, so get it? Next, বাংলাদেশে এখন আর লোডশেডিং হয় না. ওকে, সো বাংলাদেশে এখন আর লোডশেডিং হয় না, তো এটাকে আমরা কিভাবে বলতে পারি? There's no longer load shedding in Bangladesh. So there's no longer load shedding in Bangladesh. Like Bangladesh এখন আর load shedding হয় না. How can we say this? There's no longer load shedding in Bangladesh because কি হয়েছে? Bangladesh becomes America. Okay, so সেই জন্য এখন আর বাংলাদেশে লোড শেডিং হয় না. ওকে, সো আমি আবারও বলতেছি, এইগুলা যদি ভালো করে আমরা আয়ত্ত করতে পারি and obviously আমরা যদি প্রত্যেক দিন consistently 20 to 30 minutes যদি আমরা এগুলা প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারি, then we can see our result. Okay, after a week we can see our like result, feasible result. Okay, trust me or not, but this is the truth. So just take the notes of the video and what I actually taught you here. All the sentences you have to just note down on your note paper and just try to read it louder, repeat again and again. Okay, so number one, এখন আমরা যেটা করব সেটা একটা tongue twister practice করব, and we know tongue twister is really important if you have hesitation or mumbling. To reduce or to remove mumbling, we need to practice tongue twister. So today's tongue twister is like this with no longer. So no longer. No longer lonely Larry learns live language lessons. So first of all, read like very in a normal voice, okay, like very slowly, like this. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. So first of all, you will feel so hard, so complex, but when you practice it more and more, then it will become very easy to you. Okay, so no longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. So this is how you have to practice every single day. So if you want to improve your pronunciation as well as fluency. Okay, so again, no longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. No longer no longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. So no longer lonely Larry learns lively language lesson. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. So just take it a note and practice more and more. Speak fluently. Okay, speak like occasionally, often, every single day speak, and practice the tongue twister every single day, like this. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. No longer lonely Larry learns no longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. No longer lonely Larry learns lively language lessons. So this is very important. So we actually learned today one tongue twister, but every single day we'll try to make a tongue twister and practice it. Okay, so thank you very much, and if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to watch others video that I have uploaded previously. Okay, so